9 strategies to make $10 million fast. You want to know how ordinary people become millionaires? It's not about wishing, it's about becoming. Forget this incremental grind, this slow climb. You need a seismic shift, a goddamn earthquake to your mindset and your approach. Trading hours for dollars is a losing game. So how do you 10x your life, your income, your impact? That's what we're diving into today. 9 strategies to obliterate the ordinary and become a wealth-generating machine. Let's get after it. Real hard work isn't about breaking your back. It's about breaking through mental barriers, the self-doubt, the fear holding you back. It's about the relentless pursuit of knowledge, the willingness to fall flat on your face and get back up hungrier. Real hard work is about building something bigger than yourself, a legacy that outlasts you. This isn't about comfort, it's about conquest. The world is full of doubters, naysayers, and haters. They'll tell you it can't be done, that you're not good enough. They're projecting their own limitations onto you. Don't let their fear become your reality. Believe in your 10 million goal with every fiber of your being. Winners expect to win. They execute. Silence the inner critic and step into your power. The only limits are the ones you set for yourself. You are only as strong as the team you build. Surround yourself with winners who share your hunger and vision. Become a master at identifying talent, spotting potential in unexpected places. Seek out passion, loyalty, and commitment to excellence. When you assemble a team of rock stars, that's when the magic happens. You can't do it all yourself. Delegation isn't about surrendering control. It's about leveraging your time and energy. Focus on what you do best and trust others to handle the rest. Smart entrepreneurs understand that delegation is essential for growth. It allows you to focus on strategic decisions that will catapult you to the next level. Humility is overrated in the world of business. Own your successes, articulate your value proposition with confidence. In a crowded marketplace, you need to stand out. Don't be afraid to showcase your wins and highlight your expertise. Walk the fine line between confidence and arrogance with swagger. Stop playing by someone else's rules. Create your own opportunities. Build your own table, dictate the terms. Understand the rules, but be willing to innovate and disrupt. Challenge the status quo, forge your own path. Fortune favors the bold. Be the game maker. Successful entrepreneurs are masters of leverage. It's about working smarter, not harder. Identify opportunities and seize them. Be resourceful, creative, and always on the lookout for the next move. Create your own opportunities and leverage every advantage you have. Uncertainty is a part of life, especially in business. Winners embrace uncertainty and understand that risk is part of the equation. Don't let fear paralyze you. Trust your gut and be willing to take that leap of faith. The greatest regrets are the chances we let pass us by. Making 10 million is a hell of a goal, but using your success to make a real difference is even more fulfilling. Support a cause, mentor the next generation, or lend a helping hand. Success without purpose is hollow. True wealth is measured in the positive impact we have on the world. There you have it, 9 strategies to unlock your full potential and achieve extraordinary things. Success isn't a destination, it's a journey. Go out there and make it happen. The world is waiting for your greatness. And don't forget to pay it forward.